Today, we are going to go over admin roles. So what is an admin role? Well, an admin role is basically a set of permissions that let you control what a specific user in your ChargeOver instance can and cannot do, and what they can and cannot see within your ChargeOver account. So to create or add a new admin role, from the dashboard, you hit the gear icon on the top right of your account. On the left, click on Admin Users and Admin Roles, and then you click the Admin Roles tab, and that will show you your existing admin roles within your account. These three right here, administrator, sales, and accounting, come preloaded in all ChargeOver instances. If you wanted to add a new role, you'd hit the new role button. And then here you can name the role, put a description for it, and then you can select which permissions are available on this specific role. So obviously all features here gives that, any user who has this role, ability to do anything within your ChargeOver account. A few that you may want to limit on, or some popular ones that people maybe don't give everyone access to, would be configure your ChargeOver account. So if you don't want, a specific user or, a bunch of users to be able to log in and change the way your account's configured, you wouldn't want to give them access to that. Same thing with your manage your ChargeOver account and billing information here. You probably don't want everyone to be able to do that. Add and subtract admin users. That's a popular one to limit. Another good one here is refunds. A lot of users don't want everyone who logs into their account to be able to give and issue refunds, which makes sense. Once you go ahead and create the role, save it. And then if you go back, when you create a new admin user, you would actually be able to assign the role to them. So any new role that's added would show here underneath the roles section. So you can really limit what each user can and cannot do within your ChargeOver instance. If there are ever any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'd be more than happy to walk you through this and help you get going.